Is it recording?
It's recording.
Okay.
You start off.
Like I normally do. Alright, hi everyone, Maggie and Patrick Nolan here with Living Radiant Photography. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's a new year, we haven't YouTubed in a while, but we're trying to do more videos. We are so excited. In front of us, from B&H, it's not diapers.
No, well, we get a lot of those.
We decided to, we pre-ordered them, correct?
We ordered them as soon as they were available.
These are the new R5 Mark IIs from Canon. We ordered them through B&H.
At 6 in the morning.
6 a.m.
When they announced it.
Patrick did. I did not.
No. Maggie doesn't.
He's in charge of all of our gear upgrades, which means that now we can sell our current R5s, which we absolutely love. If you aren't using an R5 and you're a wedding photographer, it's so worth it. I know a lot of photographers are using R6s. We love the R5. We don't have issues with them. Open yours first, because you're like the giddy kid in a candy shop. Oh, how convenient. It's like Teddy. Wow, wow. Oh my gosh. Wow, you're so much faster. Hold on. We ordered
waiting for this.
4 of these. Patrick, how much do these current market value?
They're about $4,500 each. So yeah, what you're seeing in front of you is $18,000 worth of camera gear, which is great. It's expensive, but you know, what we do is we do this about every 4 or 5 years when Canon comes out with new cameras, especially in the R lineup now.
Let's show you what's inside the box. So
the strap, which we never use.
When it comes, it obviously comes with all the like manuals, which are great. Patrick's are like, he figures out how to use it.
I will read through this manual.
He'll read through it. I won't. I'll play, I'll experiment, and then he'll tell me when I need to do something. Something
I did learn through this though is that they do update the manual after they update firmware. So if there are certain settings and adjustments that change due to firmware updates or capabilities in the camera, when you buy the camera, if it has a new firmware on it, it will come with an updated manual. So
if you're a photographer watching this and you don't do firmware updates on your camera, you should. You should be doing firmware updates. It's super easy. That can be a whole nother YouTube video, but your camera, just like any computer, needs updates. It also comes with...
In the box, they do give you a charger if you have Canon cameras. You know these chargers, same thing. Have the new batteries, and it looks as if this camera comes with one of the LPE6P. The P stands for power. The reason why is because the capabilities of this camera, you actually need this battery. So your old batteries will work in the camera, but the new cameras, if you're using the old batteries, there's some capabilities that you won't be able to do, like pre-shooting and a couple other things. I just opened up something ahead of time. Uh-oh. I don't know what this is yet. So, okay, USB-C cord on both sides, which is awesome. If you have like a most recent Apple laptop, this will connect. Oh, does that mean that this connects? It's USB-C on the camera? So this might give you the capability of...
Let's see, this is the real thing.
Of shooting linked, right? Box.
Oh, like tethered?
Go back in. Yeah, tethered.
All right,
you might be able to do tethered shooting with that.
Oh my gosh, guys. Do you see this? Is it focusing on it? I sure hope so.
No, because my face is still there. Here, I'll hide my face.
Hide. So there it is, you guys. The R5 Mark II.
Boom.
Is it heavier? No, it feels lighter.
So the camera is about the same weight, but it is slightly thicker. And the reason why it's thicker is because of these vents that are on the bottom. And this is to deal with the heat dispersion inside the camera. There is no fan in this.
Are you listening for it?
Well, there's no battery in it. But there's no fan in this, but these little heat pipes that allow the heat to come out, this makes it so that you do not have to turn your camera
Even
off
though there's a
more frequently.
There's a disclaimer.
Yes.
There's a disclaimer on the inside that says, caution, screen storage compartment may get hot, do not touch. Oh, I don't know, that wasn't on the other camera, so hopefully it doesn't overheat. It says it doesn't overheat, and that's the whole point of the fan, so we'll have to experiment and see.
No fan.
On the side, it still has microphone, headphone jack. It has
a full HDMI.
Full HDMI
this is
and
huge.
Full USB-C. So it does
No more dealing with those little tiny mini garbage things. Thank you, Canon, for hearing us all.
Yeah, thanks, Canon. That's awesome. So USB-C to computer to camera, which is awesome, especially if you just want to like shoot directly to it, to camera, tethered, or uploading probably images post-event or session.
So biggest thing which you'll notice first is the on-off switch has been moved. Okay.
Oh!
So now it is over here above the mode button and the dial that we use for our ISO. Okay. So that's how you turn it on and off, and then also in the lock position. And then the camera video, right? Flipping it back and forth to camera video. Now you don't have to go through the mode button and double hit that.
The R5 Mark II now includes a cover for your hot shoe.
Yes.
So how does that detach?
It's difficult. But it's nice because this hot shoe now has a lot of other capabilities. What I've read is that they are going to be creating some microphones that connect directly to the hot shoe, and you will not have to plug it into the microphone. And then there's going to be other capabilities that are going to come down the line for that. Also, another huge difference is where your eye goes. It is massive. And until you turn on the computer,
I didn't even notice that.
Yeah, until you turn on this camera, you're not going to really notice it, but they have a whole bunch of new features in here that we're going to cover in a further review. But we wanted to do an unboxing of one of these each, right?
Amazing. And I think we've done it. I don't feel like we need to go into more depth. We'll go into more depth in another video about it. We're going to shoot it tonight, shoot a session. Anything else you want to add about the unboxing?
No, that's it. We'll let you know how it goes, and we'll come back with a much larger review of it with all the capabilities and all the new features that it has. There are many things that are packed into this that we're excited to explore.
Awesome. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you soon. Woohoo! Yeah.